Here's one unexpected benefit of preparing your taxes. It can help you get ready for your chiropractic practice sale. While it's true that no one loves paying taxes, the preparations you make each year can actually get you one step closer to organizing your business prior to a practice sale. Whether you realize it or not, when it comes to selling your chiropractic practice, your numbers speak louder than your years in business, patient results, equipment you have, or even the location of your office. If you are unprepared with well-organized financials, chances are high that you will either scare away your buyer or cause their confidence to decrease. On the other hand, organized, transparent, and accurate financials can not only boost buyer confidence, but also streamline the due diligence and financing process. While it's true that no one loves paying taxes, the preparations you make each year can actually get you one step closer to organizing your business prior to a practice sale. If you are unprepared with well-organized financials, chances are high that you will either scare away your buyer or cause their confidence to decrease. On the other hand, organized, transparent, and accurate financials can not only boost buyer confidence, but also streamline the due diligence and financing process. So this year, use the work you are doing on your income and corporate taxes to help you better organize your financials for the purposes of selling your practice. Regardless of whether you are planning to sell or transition your practice within the next 3 months or 3 years, the work you do now to prepare will help you down the road. Here's some good news. Almost all buyers want to see the same things when they consider a practice purchase. So you can use this list to get yourself ready, regardless of when you choose to sell. Most commonly, buyers will want to view a few financial documents for the past 3 years. Profit and loss statements, tax returns, balance sheet, at least for the most recent year. In terms of your practice stats, some metrics are more important to chiropractors who practice in one style of care, whereas other metrics matter more to those with a different style of practice. But in general, all buyers want to see the following basic practice stats for the last 3 years. New patients, patient visits, collections by provider. For a deeper dive, some but not all buyers would also like to see practice stats that measure metrics like patient visit average, collections percentage, and accounts receivable with aging. Well-organized financial books and practice stats can easily boost buyer confidence, so here are a few tips for how to best get ready. Use an accountant or CPA. Financials that are prepared by your CPA or accountant make a better impression than homemade or handwritten records. Keep timely records. Quarterly, being able to produce practice stats or financials in a timely manner is a key component to keep your sale moving forward. If a buyer asks for final figures for the prior year and you don't produce them until March of the next year, it can make you appear disorganized or cause delays in your sale. To prevent this, make sure your staff can promptly produce stats each quarter and ask your accountant or bookkeeper to be able to do the same. Clean up old AR balances. While most chiropractors can understand that there is going to be accounts receivable built up in even the best practices, many banks have a poor understanding of chiropractic AR. So if your books show that you have $900,000 in AR, but you have $750,000 of it is many years old and likely never to be repaid, it would be better to clean up your books and write off balances that are not collectible. Start sooner. If you wait until the last minute to start preparing for your sale, it's tough to hear that your financials or your practice stats will prevent you from selling in a timely manner. Instead, start planning to get your practice valued sooner so that you are better prepared for the process and ultimately positioned well for your practice sales success. Understand that your business value changes. It's also important to understand that your business value is not static. So because the practice is doing well now and would command a certain value today, does not mean that value will remain the same for the next 5 or 10 years. Practice prices fluctuate with market changes and, more importantly, with changes in your business collections or profitability. This is just another reason to stay prepared and organized so that you're able to maximize your business value. Get experienced. Help. Most chiropractors are excellent at taking care of their patients, but they are a bit biased about the value of their business. For more info, see https://www.strategicsdc.com or email info@strategicsdc.com.